Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. I'm here with Spencer.
Hi everyone.
So we are currently on our way to Kohl's. We just got out of TJ Maxx. I'll go ahead and show you guys our footage from TJ Maxx. So we are doing shopping. We are trying to amp up Spencer's wardrobe. And along the way getting myself some things because I just can't help it. I know, that's bad. But still, so we're on our way right now to Kohl's and we're gonna do a little shop with me kind of a thing. Because that's the kind of video I want to make today. So then like I can show you, because I haven't done like a shopping haul in such a long time, like an actual clothes one. So I'm really excited. I got some really cute pieces at TJ Maxx. So it's raining and yeah, that's what we're doing. So we'll go ahead, catch you guys up later, and we will show you what we picked up.
And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. Thank you so much for bringing your amazingness here to my channel today. I'm very excited to have you here. For today's video, I have a spring collective clothing haul. Really excited to be sharing with you guys. I have things from TJ Maxx, Ross, and just random stores that I decided to shop at. So super excited to show you guys all the stuff because it's been such a long time since I've done a clothing haul. So this is gonna be super fun. I did like a whole try on OOTD sort of thing, so I really hope you guys like it. So another thing, sorry guys, I'm congested. It's just a thing that's happening right now. I feel good, just don't sound very good. So I really hope you guys like this video. Let's just get started. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to start off with a few things that I picked up at TJ Maxx because I feel like I have the most things from TJ Maxx, clothing wise at least. So I picked up this cute little skater dress, super adorable. I love the sleeves on it, they're super loose and it has little buttons going up. I really just like this style. I know that it flatters my body really well. So it's yellow, my favorite color. It has lots of flowers on it. I just thought it was super cute and sweet just for the spring, you know. It literally like looks like a spring dress, you know what I mean? Like really. So I got this in a size extra small and this retailed for $19.99. Honestly, that's a little bit on the steep side, but I thought it was a really cute dress. So I picked that up. Okay guys, another thing that I picked up at TJ Maxx is this shirt. So this is like a sweater material, so I feel like it's nice, especially right now where we're transitioning from like, you know, the end of the winter to early spring, and you know, it's still a little chilly but not too chilly because we're in California. So this is really cute. I feel like this is definitely my style, and it is like this like peachy corally color. Those colors look the nicest on my skin tone. They just look nice, you know, complements my skin really well. So it's pretty simple. I just like the detailing in the sleeve because it has a little puff sleeve. Super cute. I got this in a size extra small and I got this for $16.99. So yeah, it's just like a cute little sweater that, you know, you can throw over a pair of jeans, put on a little hat, put on some sandals or something, and you're good to go. So the last shirt that I got at TJ Maxx was this one. This is just like a little black, like cute, flowy peplum style top. It's like a loose peplum though. So I don't know, I just thought it was super cute, and you know, it would be great for like going out or just a night out, even in the summer, you know, because it is like a spaghetti strap. So this is in a size small and I actually got it for $6. It was on sale. So I decided to pick it up because I thought this would be really cute to add to my collection, you know, just with some white jeans and stuff. I just thought it was super cute and a really good deal. So got that. And I like the material. It's like really like flowy. Another thing that I picked up at TJ Maxx was this sweater. So this is kind of like a military, like I feel like inspired jacket type, but it's not really. This is what it looks like. It's like really loose but cute. I love the color of it. So this is what it looks like. It's really hard to see. That's why I'm going to include the clips of it being worn. But this is by Maxx Studio. I got it for $29.99, so $30. It was a little bit more on the pricier side. But it was really cute, and it is like a half sweater. Like, it's not really long. It's like stops right above like your jeans or right above like your waist. So I really like the sleeves though, how they're kind of cuffed and it has like that little button. So I thought it was really cute. Great for like a night out. It's like really light, so great for the spring. The next jacket that I kind of picked up, this one is more like a blazer style jacket. This was $39.99, so this is definitely the priciest thing in this haul. But I just picked it up. It's by Rachel Zoe. I got it in a size extra small. It's like this beige color. I have like a teal one that I really like, so I decided to pick this one up as well. And it's kind of like a trench coat, but it's not as long. It was just super cute, and it looks a little sophisticated, you know, throw it over, especially now that I'm going to turn 27. You know, you got to have a little bit more sophistication. So I picked that up. So let me share with you guys this cute little top that I picked up at Kohl's. So it's from the Lauren Conrad collection, because Lauren Conrad is the best. Like, I love her so much. So this is, again, another peach top with the poofy sleeves. I like the little, like, detail at the end. It's, like, cinched, and it's cute. I don't know. I just thought it was adorable. It has little flowers on it. Really girly, really flowy. Just great with, like, a pair of jeans. Just to kind of, like, make something, like, super girly, super cute. I got this for $30. So then from Target, I picked up this really cute, like, two-piece outfit. They was $19.99 each. I already wore it. I actually have to go hurry up and film this so I can throw it in the wash because I want to take it to my trip to San Diego. So it's like this cute little, like, tracksuit sort of two-piece set. This says Dog Mom on it, and it's, like, kind of like a cream and a gray together. It's super, super cute. And then you have the matching pants, which were also $19.99. So it has like the little tie so you can fix it up at the top. I got this in a size extra small. Again, this is Dog Mom, and it's just like one pant color, like one leg color, I guess, of each color, if that makes sense. That did not make sense. But you know what I mean, right? So yeah, this was by the brand Modern Luxe at Target. So I picked that up because I thought it was super cute. This is more like of an impulse buy, guys. At Target, I also picked up this super cute dress, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I am so in love with this dress. Like, I cannot wait to wear it and just take a bazillion pictures with it. So this is what the dress looks like. It's just so, like, boho chic and cute. So it has, like, this little detailing, like the little, like, cutout detailing, and it just looks super cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? It has a little sleeves, and it's not like tie, it's kind of flowy. I thought it was super cute. This was $32.99, so I got that, and it's extra small. It's by the brand Knox Rose. I realized that their stuff is super cute, so I'm gonna be checking them out next time I go to Target again. Okay guys, so I went to this store called Nectar when I went to the Spectrum in Irvine. So they gave me like a cute little sticker, guys. I thought it was so cute. Look at that. It says, Cultivating Happiness, Nectar Clothing. So I went in their store, and like, honestly, like, I thought it was super cute from the outside, but once I came in, like, I don't know, like, it wasn't calling to me as much. I just like the aesthetic, I feel, and the colors. But I did end up picking up this hat. It's like this cute little tan hat. It retails for $34.50. Now that's kind of pricey, honestly, for a hat. Like, ugh. But I really just liked how, like, hard and, like, good material that it was. And I've always wanted, like, a tan hat. So I was like, might as well. It's here. So I picked it up, and I cannot wait to wear it in the spring and the summer. And I feel like you can even wear this in, like, the fall. So I just feel like it was a good piece to add to my collection. Okay guys, I do have quite a few pair of shoes. So the first pair of shoes are, well, actually all these shoes are from Ross. So I have two pairs of sandals. The first pair are these are by Soda. They're 5.5. Now these are wide foot. I didn't realize that, so they're kind of loose up at the top because I know these are supposed to be a little bit tighter, and they're kind of uncomfortable, so I've been trying to break them in. They fit pretty well. I'm usually a size like 5. I usually go into kids with sneakers and stuff, but these were pretty good size, and I really like the color. Again, I have like that peach corally color going on, so I thought they were super cute. These were, let me see, $13.99. $13.99. I kept the stickers for this purpose. I also picked up these cute little sandals. These are like little square ones. I don't know. I feel like these are out of my comfort zone because of the square, but I thought they were really cute and strappy. These are also very uncomfortable, by the way. So I really definitely have to break them in. These are by Indigo Road, and they're 5.5. And these retails for $17. 17? $16.99. Alrighty, I paid $17 for them. But yeah, they're super cute, so I decided to grab them. And yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I'm kind of like, I don't know, but we'll see, because they're kind of uncomfortable. So I also picked up these super cute wedges. These are by the brand Forever, but guys, look how cute they are. They have like that quilted design on the side, and they're wedges, and they have like that cute little like gold like jewelry style like piece here. It just looks super cute. These are 5.5. They fit me a little bit big, but guys, usually sometimes wedges fit me kind of big, and like they're not the most comfortable because they are big. Like, not saying that they tire me out or anything, because they're really like comfortable in that sense, but you know, because they fit me big, you know, it's a little bit harder to manage, but they're so cute. And I got these for $18. Can you believe that? But yeah, super cute shoes. Another thing that I picked up were these little booties. These are so cute, guys. I actually wanted to get these for when I went to go see Maddie and Tay, but they ended up canceling or rescheduling. Not sure when it's gonna happen though. But they're like pointed. They're little cowgirl boots. They're so cute. These were a little bit pricier. They were $25, but like, look at them. They're just so awesome. I have little brown ones now. I have a little pair of black ones. So, ready for my next country concert. Okay guys, that is it for this haul video. I really hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I promise I'm not always this sick and weird. Well, maybe I am weird, but I don't sound weird is what I mean. So I really hope that you guys like this video. I hope that I get to see your beautiful face in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by and for spending a little bit of your time with me. Bye, beautiful person.